Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App payment failed for your protection. So guys, if you want to send money to others and facing the error like this, then it means your account is not verified or the other person's account is not verified also. Okay guys, so if you want to send the money, make sure that your account is verified and also make sure that the other person account is also verified. Okay guys, and the second thing is guys, you have to make sure that he is not stranger for you. Okay guys, if you are going to send money to a person first time, then maybe you can see this type of error. So let me tell you that you have to save the number to your contacts. Okay guys, just simply have to save the number to your contacts and then again send the money to the person. And if still you are facing the error like this, then what you need to do is just simply close this page. And after that you have to open settings. Now from here guys, you have to go to VPN section. Let me tell you that if you are connected with VPN, that's why maybe you are facing the error like this. So you have to disconnect with VPN if you are connected with it. Okay guys, and second thing is that if your date and time is not correct, that's why you are facing the error like this. So you have to correct your date and time, and also you have to select correct time zone. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to force restart your device because it's maybe glitch in your device. That's why you're facing the error like this. So you have to force restart your device, and after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once is there, then what you need to do guys, you have to wait some hours because it's maybe glitch in the app or Cash App source is down. That's why you are not going to send money to someone. So you have to wait some hours and hopefully your problem will be fixed and you can send the money to others easily. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.